Woodpecker Dental Tech Park, advanced future campus for global digital dentistry, centered around the 8-story marketing center along the park's main axis. This complex serves as a comprehensive hub for brand operations, market coordination, business reception, and partner engagement, enabling efficient linkage between domestic and international markets. The new Woodpecker Academy is designed as an integrated platform combining education system, clinical training, academic conferences, product training, industry collaboration, providing continuous education opportunities for dentists globally, and promoting the standardized application of advanced dental technologies. This expansion also marks a comprehensive upgrade of Woodpecker's intelligent manufacturing and operational systems. Centered on standardization, automation, digitalization, and traceability, the project enhances production capacity and delivery efficiency to better support global business growth and product innovation. The Woodpecker Dental Tech Park will serve as a major integrated platform for manufacturing, marketing, exhibition, education, reception, and global exchange.